Yo, what's going on, guys? So, got a new mic set up here, gonna look pretty good. I'm here to give you an early review of the exclusive access I got of the Off-White Dunks, the 50 collection. I got the suede and leather pair, which is probably the pair I wanted the most. I didn't want the leather and canvas pair because canvas it gets yellow and that shit's hard to clean, dude. But here I'm gonna do an early and quick review of the Off-White Dunks that just really are going to release, actually. So here they are. Woo, pretty fucking dope. I'm really happy with the pair I got in the mail. Obviously this hairy suede, the hairy goddamn the hairy uncle suede. Jesus Christ, when he's going swimming. Nice leather. I actually have the first collection of the Dunks, the pine green, and the leather is it's good, but it's kind of thin. You guys probably seen like reviews of that, but this one is thicker than the original one. It's still good quality though. Not gonna lie, it's still really good quality, but it's thicker than the original one. And I'm really happy with these, dude. Like the tongue, I got the tongue. This the same color. It's sail. I like the orange laces that came with it. I know other pairs were more loud, but I just really like this one. It's more subdued. You can go with everything. I'm going to be one of the people to take out actually the laces. I think that's a cleaner look, especially since I have like an all sail and neutral gray colorway. Also, the green tab right there. Oh my god. These are beautiful. These are fucking beautiful. It has a foam, exposed foam tongue with holes cut out in like Swiss cheese. Make me kind of hungry. I look like a rat. And let me get the other pair right here. Woo! And the yellow rubber part right there. It is rubber. That's the part I don't like the most. I wanted a different color, but I'm really happy with my pair. I actually think this is one of the cleaner lots. This is lot 11 of 50, and I'm so happy I got these. I was scared that it was gonna get stolen by FedEx because I've had that problem before where I've won something, super rare pair of shoes, got stolen from the FedEx guy. And I've been seeing it on like Reddit and stuff that, it's been missing from people's like orders when they try to track it and stuff. And I was super scared, but they came in really quick. This is oh my god. I love it. In terms of, is it better than the first one? Kinda. I kinda like it better than the first one. It has very neutral colors, and I love neutral colors. But there you go. The Off-White Dunks lot number 11 of 50. It has, you can't take out the insole. I think it's glued down pretty heavy. But these are dope. I fucking love these, dude. I would. That dunk smells like heaven on earth massage parlor. Y'all know about that? Rush hour, baby. But in terms of the hairy suede, it's okay quality. I would compare it to like the Alma Maniere suede quality on those because they kind of have like the same hairiness. This one's a lot more hairy though, a lot more uncle-y. But yeah, dude, dope. No, I have no glue stains on any pair of my shoes, so I'm pretty happy with those. But there you go. Gonna show some B-roll and all that stuff of how they look like and all that stuff without my annoying voice over it. But man, these are clean. There you go, early review and on feet of the Off-White Dunks, lot number 11 of 50. Hope you guys like it.
My bitch eat me up while I'm driving, and I swear it's a show, not a riot. I was tripping, you was tripping, who the pilot? My bitch eat me up while I'm driving, and I swear